If you're trying to figure out how to make your RV setup faster once you get to a new spot, I'm going to show you 4 items in this video that has tremendously decreased our setup time. And if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you how you can win one of these items and we'll ship it right to you. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first item is actually inside here, and it is our mount that we have set up for the Starlink. So this is permanently in here when we travel, when we're going from place to place. The Starlink router and all of the accessories that you see here, the cords and everything stay plugged in. We don't have to take this out and set it up every single time we get to a new location, and that has helped tremendously. Starlink was one of the things that took us the longest to get set up when we got from spot to spot, so this has saved us a tremendous amount of time. And for the other 3, I'm going to take us around to the other side of the RV. The next thing that has tremendously helped with our setup time and decreasing that are these right here. So these are quick connect water setups, and between everything that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different, I think 6 or 7 actually, different spots where our water actually hooks up. We don't have to sit and screw in every single water hose connection that we have. They literally just pop on and off. I'll put a little clip here of us using these. Previously, before we had these, we would have to screw in the hose to our water connection, screw in the hose into our water filter, screw in the hose going out of the water filter, and if we had our softener hooked up in and out of that as well, and then into the RV. So quite a few different spots where we have water connections, and these just make that setup seamless and really, really quick. Next item is our Blue Tech. This is our black tank flush kit. So this actually saves us time, one, with setup because it's always connected and always here, but it also saves time with us flushing our black tank when we need to do that, when we leave a spot, and when we get to a new spot, it's already hooked up. So what this does is with the turn of this little knob that you see here, it starts the process of flushing out our black tank. It does have a backflow preventer valve in here, so nothing from the black tank will flow back into our water lines, and this has saved us a tremendous amount of time. And not only that, it's just super convenient to have. This is one of our absolute favorite items that we've gotten since we've gotten this RV. And then the final item is this drain lock sewer connection. This is from Rhino. This is something that we recently got, and literally that's all we have to do to set up our sewer hose into the sewer connection. So that drain lock is actually the item that we're giving away. We've got some of these drain locks. We found them in stock, and they are so hard to find in stock. So if you'd like to win one of these Rhino Drain Lock Adapter Pros, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave me a comment below letting me know that you've subscribed. If you want more information about any 4 of these items, I'll put all the links below so you can find them easily. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.